I've seen very, very clever people. But unless you invest in people, you don't go very far in life. You have to invest in people. You've got to be good and fair with people. Not just invest, be fair with people. Even people who are weak, if you trust them, they become much better human beings. These children's books are very dear to my heart. And so get them in all languages. Wherever possible, we find partners. And all our things are free in the public domain. Anyone can use them. You don't need our permission. That's it. वो बहुत see that was a great experience. I heard Anil Sadgopal in 1972. I was an 18-year-old student in IIT Kanpur. Backbencher. हमारे एक टीचर थे D. Balasubramaniam, very famous man. He won the Kalinga Award like Narlikar Saab. And he knew Anil Sadgopal in the US. So he invited him to come and recount your experience of Kishore Bharti. So I was a backbencher listener. एक notice लग गया. And you know, कैलटेक से PhD करके आया, TFR में थे, उबैद सिद्दीकी के साथ काम करते थे, नौकरी यशपाल साहब के साथ बम्बई के बहुत से म्यूनिसिपल शालाओं में ये प्रयोग करें, हैंड्स ऑन के प्रयोग करें. बाद में उनका मन कुछ एसोटेरिक रिसर्च कर रहे थे, छोड़ करके किशोर भारती 70 में शुरू कर दिया. उन्होंने जो कहा कि हम 5 साल से काम कर रहे हैं, पर जब हम शहर में होते हैं तो हमारा गाँव का एक इमेज बड़ा रोमांटिक इमेज होता है. गाँव का पनघट, महिलाएँ पानी भर रही हैं, यू नो, हरे लहलहाते खेत सरसों के, इस तरह की. बट वंस यू गो टू अ विलेज, यू एनकाउंटर कास्ट, क्लास, जेंडर, यू कम फेस टू फेस विद द रियलिटीज ऑफ रूरल लाइफ. इसलिए हम बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर बच्चों को पढ़ाने की, बट थिंग्स आर सिचुएटेड वेरी डिफिकल्ट. The rich caste people, the rich people don't want the poor children to study, so it's very difficult. तो अक्सर क्या होता है कि लोग अब तो लोग तारीफ ही करते रहते हैं, हमने ये तीर मारा, हमने वो फतह करा, हमने, पर here is saying all negatives, we are not able to do any much because the conditions are very harsh over there, and despite such a illustrious background. But no, that got me in my that it just went around, what is the ball game, है तो है क्या है. So I took 1 साल का छुट्टी लिया. छुट्टी टेलको देता नहीं जल्दी आसान से. और पर Kishore Bharti was funded by the Tata Trust 40 years back. So I went there for 15 days. उन्होंने मेरे से कहा जब वापस आ रहा था that would you like to come and work over here? So I said, look, my company will not give me leave. So I'm in no illusion. He came to Urli Kanchan to meet Mahadev Bhai Desai, Mani Bhai Desai, Urli Kanchan. He rang me from there that you come and see me. And so I went, I took a telco bus, Sham ko, I went to him. And he said, why didn't you write to me? I said, the telco will not give me leave. So you should told me that, at least written that. I'm just coming from the Tata Trust, director of the Tata Trust, some Malegaon wala. And he said, how can we help you? If we just ask for you, you will get. So I said, ठीक है sir. So that's how Malegaon wala wrote to Sumant Mulgaonkar, who was the chairman. And then within a week they said, go for a year. Your job is. I was in no position to leave my job at that time. And I went there, I worked there for 6 months. 1 साल की छुट्टी थी. तो पहले जब मैंने जाके देखा उनके किट में, the kit was essentially made by 2 people. One Mr. Pitre, he was in the Doot, and Chandrakant Dikshit came to us. So both these, Doon School had sent them to England in the late 60s to study the Nuffield Science program. उसके आधार पर उन्होंने कुछ ये किट बनाई थी उनकी. They were the architects. तो मैंने कहा यार इसमें लोकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट से तुम्हारा कुछ है ही नहीं. तो मुझे बहुत एक तरह से स्कूलों में भी रोज़ घूमता था, जाता था. एंड देन फर्स्ट मंथ आए, वहाँ पे एक हाट थी, एवरी वीकली हाट. लोग अपना सड़क पे जाके सामान बिछा देते हैं. सो आई से चैलेंजेस कि एक स्पेसिमेन आई बॉट ऑफ एवरीथिंग. थोड़ा सा आईना बेच रहे हैं, कोम बेच रहे हैं, जो लोग को ज़रूरत है, डब्बियाँ बेच रहे हैं छोटी सी. Bangles, plastic की bangles, spring bangles. You don't get them, I don't see them, but I bought them. Then I said, the challenge lies, use this material and try to do something locally available. साइकिल में हवा भरवा रहा था, साइकिल की दुकान पे वाल्व ट्यूब लटका मैं देखा, 10 पैसे का 1 फीट. मैंने कहा 1 रुपये का 10 फीट, 78. within a month, there was a book by Keith Warren, which I stumbled in the Kishore Bharti library. Keith Warren was a British physicist who had come as a UNICEF consultant to India. उसने एक किताब लिखी कि अगर माचिस लो, उस समय एक ये विमको की माचिस आती थी, 4 ताश के पत्ते होते थे, एंड द मैच बॉक्स इज नॉट कार्डबोर्ड, वो लकड़ी की होती थी, नीला कागज़ चिपका होता था, और उसमें इफ़ यू टेक द ड्रॉर एंड इफ़ यू पुट ऑयल इट बिकम्स वाटर प्रूफ. पानी भरो, 20 मिलीलीटर पानी आता है. एक शीशी लो, एक कागज़ की पट्टी चिपको, 20 निशान लगाओ, 40, 68. I said, this is amazing. He's using a matchbox to make a measuring cylinder, right? So that book gave me some direction. Keith Warren's. I translated that later into Hindi. समझ के लिए तैयारी, समझून घेनाची proof तैयारी in Marathi became. So one day first 1 month I spent on the matchbox. It looked very trivial. What is the weight of a matchbox? Is 10 grams. 50 matchsticks. A matchstick is 2 millimeters by 2 millimeters. Take 10 unburnt matchsticks, 1 gram, very close to 1 gram. One matchstick is 0.1 gram. Very nice things. And so one day the valve tube was lying, and the valve tube went very snugly. All not by design, just fiddly fingers. And so the first month I did the matchstick models, mechanical. And that gave me great joy. I said, this is so much better than making drugs. Very, very nice. So the first books have the chapter, बाल वैज्ञानिक में ये चैप्टर है, माचिस की तीली के प्रयोग, और भी 2-3 चैप्टर हैं. Then I went to the schools. Some schools were running very nicely, but where the principal and the teachers are not interested. These are all government schools. They just thrown all the equipment, not interested. Kishore Bharti could not exert any influence on them. So then I was becoming also a bit radicalized. That this is, ये साहब ये अनिल सदगोपाल कर रहे हैं, अपने इच्छा पूरी कर रहे हैं मन की, पर यहाँ पे तो हम जो कुछ देख रहे हैं वो अलग ही हमको दिखाई दे रहा है. So one of my dreams in college, my idol was a person called as Laurie Baker. He was my idol. I thought that he was the only person, only living architect who would touch the lives of the poor. वो फिशरमैन का विलेज बनाया उसने. वहाँ पे एक आर्क बिशप का बहुत बड़ा बंगला है, उसके पास में एक 1500 रुपये में घर बनाया था उसने एक वर्कर्स के लिए. So I read a lot on Laurie Baker. One of this is Kishore Bharti and Friends Rural Center. उनका coordinator was Sudarshan Kapoor. He was from the London School of Economics, and he knew Laurie Baker. So he said, Arvind, take a letter. So I went. Armed with the letter, I took a train to Trivandrum. And Laurie Baker, he said, what do you do? I said, I gave him the matchstick models. He didn't ask me anything else. And I worked for 4 months with him. I saw all his buildings. One of the nicest persons, one of my great mentors in life. He said, Arvind, you can translate anything which I have done. Uske abhi, his grandson is Raj Gopal. He's made a film on Laurie Baker. He's going all over the world. Last 2 years, it's not been commercially released because all over the world, he was a very, very amazing man. And I knew that बाद में the United Nations instituted the highest award on habitat. The first award had to go to Laurie Baker. Laurie Baker was asked to receive that award in New York, and being a true Gandhian, he says, I accept the award, but I'm not coming to New York. You can courier it, कोई हिंदुस्तान आ रहा हो तो उससे आज भेज दिया, I received, but I'm not. He was the happiest when he applied for Indian citizenship after 40 years. His happiest day was when he became an Indian citizen. He and his wife lived to the age of 90. Both used to eat the same medicines. She was from CMC Vellore, Elizabeth. She was a gynecologist. Very nice. So then my year finished in Kishore. I came back to 2 more years, then I left.